Hey, what's up, marketers? Welcome on back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping by and taking the time to watch these videos. I really hope you're getting value out of them. That's why I'm here doing these all the time. Today, we're going to look at part 2 in a 12-part series about making money online, top 12 ways. And today, we're going to take a dive into the e-commerce world. Yes, e-commerce. Now, getting started in e-commerce is not super easy, but it's fairly easy if you do your research and do the digging and look around where you got to look. And it allows you to have a online store selling products that allows you to generate revenue from an online based business. And there's many different ways to do it. But let's start with the basics. What do you need to start an e-commerce business? Because there's a few things that are essential to your business. You're going to need a website. You're going to need email. You're going to need customer resource management. You're going to want to have a merchant account. I know, slow down, right? Let's start with merchant account. It's an account that allows you to process online payments, credit cards, other forms, and it comes with all kinds of other different perks or programs or however you want to call it put into it. Personally, we use Stripe to process all our online payments. Square is another good one. One thing to remember is that PayPal isn't really a merchant account type platform. So if you're thinking of going that route, think real hard, because the last thing you want is to be generating a lot of revenue and then all of a sudden your account's shut down. With that being said, it's not a bad idea to have maybe a couple merchant accounts so you've got a backup in case one gets shut down. And really, there's a lot of options out there. You just need to dig in and figure out which one's going to work best for you, your platform, your business. Because some platforms only integrate with certain payment platforms. That's the other thing you got to keep in mind too. Next on the list, you're going to need a place to host your website if you're doing just your own little website store thing, right? We recommend Bluehost for our web hosting. That's who we do all our web hosting through. They're really great, really affordable, and the best part is they automatically integrate with WordPress. So it's like done. Simple, easy, put it together and away you go. The other thing you're going to want is a reliable email, whether it's email address, whether it's client resource tools, whatever it is. And again, there's all kinds of stuff out there to do that. There's G Suite, there's HubSpot. Our personal favorite is Zoho. It allows us to create an email address off our domain for free. No extra cost to that. And it has everything we need to look after leads, look after clients, resources, emails, etc., etc. So those are just some of the basics you need to think about. Do your research, dig in, dive in, get to know it, get to love it. Next thing I want to talk about is creating your own products versus drop shipping, selling somebody else's products, right? Now, if you have your own stuff, you have your own ideas to create products and you want to sell them, the best place to do that is probably Etsy. You've probably heard of it a time or two, right? It's a great platform for creators and artists who are looking to sell their products, their creations, their stuff. Another thing, the other side of that is drop shipping. So drop shipping is where you sell somebody else's products, but you don't hold inventory, you don't have to buy the product, you don't pay for it till it's sold. You log into the platform, wherever it may be, you create your designs, your ideas, put it all together, and then you market and promote it. And simply the way it works is somebody clicks on it, makes a purchase, so then that goes to the supplier. The supplier fulfills and ships and bills you for the product once it's shipped. It's a cool way to do it without having to worry about inventory, overhead, all that fun stuff. However, you have very little control over customer service, shipping and handling, and quality. So some things to think about if you're going that route. Now, there are people who have gone that route and run very successful businesses that way. And there's some people that will tell you it's about a 75% great, 25% not so great business model. And there's others that will tell you it just sucks totally. Another way to do it is fulfillment by Amazon, otherwise known as FBA. I personally have not used this yet, so I'm not sure how well it works. But from what I understand, is you buy your product. Now, make sure you get a good wholesale deal, because you're going to buy a large quantity. You're going to ship it to a fulfillment warehouse for Amazon, and they're going to warehouse it. They're going to pick it, package, ship it every time somebody places an order. Now, again, you have no control over product quality. You have no control over shipping and handling. And your customer service could be up in the air depending on how it happens, how the package is when it gets delivered. The other side of that is you have to monitor your inventory levels. So if you lose track or you don't pay attention, you could run out before you get a chance to resupply your inventory. And again, these are all great ways to make money. The e-commerce, drop shipping, whatever you want to call it, it works. I've tried it, I've done it. It's just another way to make money. Realistically, if you've done your research and you're serious about it, e-commerce can work for you. It can work for anybody that puts the time, the energy, and the effort in, does the research, etc., etc., etc. It's going to take work. You got to find the right niche, and then you've got to find the right mix of products in that niche for your customers. That's going to make them want to whoosh, whip out that credit card. So make sure you do your thorough research before putting all your eggs in one basket, right? Maybe just dip a toe in for now, get a feel for it, see how it goes. Because the last thing you want to do is put all your eggs in one basket, go all in, and then have it fall to pieces and lose a bunch of money, right? So take your time, dig in, do your research, make sure you know what you're getting into before you do it. With that being said, I am always here to have a chat with. If you're unsure or you've gone down a road and you're unsure of things, just reach out. I'll talk to you. I will, I promise. Now below this video, I'm going to put links to everything I talk to, so you can go and check out these different resources for you and your new business. That's it. This one's done. I'll see you in the next one. Be safe. Be true to you. Be successful.